from Ayamandar and I'm a summer intern here at Dewson Chennai. Dewson is a young and a fast-growing organization which offers a great learning environment unlike the old and the less flexible one. I was given the opportunity to work on various projects, and also I'm a fresher and I was looking for a platform to start my career, and Dewson proved to be a correct choice for that. And I'm also interested in the technological development related to IT, and thus made my mind to get into an IT firm only. And therefore, Dewson was on the top priority for my summer internship.
Hi, I'm Gaurav. I'm from Ayamandar. I'm a fresher. Prior to joining Dewson, my knowledge was limited to the academics arena, but Dewson introduced me the practical knowledge. So there were certain things like sales pitch, lead generation, which were imparted to me very well. They are beyond the purview of academics. The supervisor always assisted me in the learning. She always focused on my learning rather than the results of the project. There's a lot to learn in the IT industry, and Dewson is a great place for that. So overall, it was a smooth learning experience, and I will always remember this.
Dewson, being a flat organization, gave me the opportunity and freedom to take a lot of initiatives and learn nuances in IT operations. I have interacted with the best and brilliant minds in IT industry. This would surely act as a great foundation for my managerial career.
Being offered the task of project management, be a CMMI team over here, audit the Dewson team for CMMI process compliance. Dewson is CMMI Level 3 certified, and this auditing process helped the organization retain the CMMI Level 3 certificate and bridge the gap developed over a period of time.
Working on this project has improved our understanding about the project management as well as the knowledge of CMMI level and the tasks associated with it. This internship also provides us an opportunity to work with tech leads, developers and managers and how to get work done from them.
The main aspect of learning also included understanding of Analytics, flagship BI analytical tool of Dewson.
Most of the companies say that they have taken a lot of measures so as to ensure work-life balance is maintained. But I must emphasize and firmly believe that Dewson is the only organization which has really proved it. Along with work, we have thoroughly enjoyed fun Fridays, birthday celebrations and team outings in this 2-month stint. Environment at Dewson is really vivid and always made me feel that I am working for my own company. Frankly speaking, it is such an amazing experience which should definitely be a worthy reminiscence.